Hello, friends. Welcome to today's reading lesson. For today, we're working on reading strategies. So remember that reading strategies are notes that you take on your reading homework or reading tests or reading passages that we read together. Strategies are important because they help the students understand the text better and they help guide you through the text. Understanding how to do these strategies is going to help you on the STAR and in the future. So they were focusing on writing our main ideas, the who and the what of each paragraph. Okay, it's also known as the gist. So when we think about who, we think about who is this paragraph about. When we think about what, we think about what is happening in this paragraph. Okay, some other strategies that we'll practice later on in the future is circling keywords in the questions, crossing out trash, and finding text evidence. So we're going to practice writing our main idea. So what I would love for you to do is have a piece of paper and write who and what, who and what, who and what, who and what, and who and what for 5 different paragraphs. Okay? So you should have 5 paragraphs. The reason I want you to write it on a piece of paper is because you're going to be able to use it on your questions. Okay? So you're going to see your Google form look like this. We're going to practice with paragraph 1 together, and then you're going to read paragraph 2, 3, 4, and 5. After you read those paragraphs, you're going to answer 3 questions about the text. Okay? So, speaking about paragraph 1, let's go ahead and read it together. So it says, "A possum's bare tail. A possum tried hard to be good and kind. He tried to be happy for the other animals when he saw that they had good things. He was happy for the birds when he heard them sing. He enjoyed their beautiful songs and did not worry about singing himself. He was happy for the fish that could swim so well they could stay under the water forever. He was happy for the bats and the birds that could fly. He was even happy for the animals that were awake during the beautiful day. He was happy that Raccoon could have such a cool mask." So who is this paragraph talking about? This paragraph is talking about possum, right? So on my paper, under who, I'm going to write possum. And what was possum doing? He was happy for his friends. And remember, when we write our gist, we want them to be short and sweet. So we want them to be 10 words or less. Okay? So with this, I'm going to go to my Google form. Okay? Make sure I have my first and last name here. And I'm writing the gist, right? The main idea. So for paragraph 1, we're going to say who we said was opossum, right? And then what we said he was happy for his friends. Okay, so on each of your paragraphs, I should see who and I should see what on each of these paragraphs. Who and what. Who and what. And then paragraph 5, who and what. So you're going to fill in who and what for each of these paragraphs. Once you finish all of your gists, okay, you're going to go next and make sure that you answer each question with excellence. Capiche? So good luck, and I can't wait to see your wonderful work.